Hello! Guys, I've been thinking about it a lot and everybody tells me I have big eyes. And now I know. I have found my twin. I look like Zaboomafoo. Okay, listen, I know how to dress. I just never post my outfits. I really don't. But I got good style. So I'm finna give you tips, yeah, right. Oh my goodness. And the glow up begins. So tip number one. Tip number one is, ladies and gentlemen, in this world, in this day and age, we are not trying to look like paper bags. We are not trying to look like sticks of spaghetti. So tip number one is contrast. Contrast, 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 contrast. Say it with me, say it again, repeat it. If you're wearing baggy clothes on the top, not so baggy on the bottom. Or stick of spaghetti. No, you're not trying to wear leggings and tank top for a reason. No. Contrast creates effect, makes you look good. Do the damn thing. Or if you're like me, I actually pride myself on looking like a paper bag, so you could also just wear all baggy clothes. Tip number two is to match details in like shirts or shoes with the rest of the outfit. So if you're someone that likes to match your outfit with your shoes, then like if you have like J's with multiple colors on them, pick one of the colors and then wear it as like a solid color on the top. Or if you're wearing like a t-shirt and the t-shirt has like Simpson characters on it, it's the first thing that came to mind, don't come for me. If it has Simpson characters on it, you can match the rest of the outfit. Like you can wear like blue corduroy pants like the girls. You know the mom's hair in The Simpsons? I don't watch The Simpsons, but the mom's hair, her hair is blue. So you could wear blue corduroy pants and then, you know, you're styling on them. You're styling on them. It's the details that count. Because the thing is, you do not want to be dressing yourself to look like a character from the Doodle Bops. You don't want to be one whole, they said 50 Shades of Grey, not like, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Do not do that. Monochrome, leave it somewhere else. You can, at times, there are times for monochrome moments, but you have to really do it well. No Doodle Bops, no Strawberry Cake Short characters. I said that wrong. Strawberry Shortcake characters. No, don't do it. Do not do it. So tip number three is about cropping. See, I have a fear, a ridiculous, inexplicable fear of actually cropping shirts. So instead of actually cropping shirts, I tuck them into my bra, and that way it looks like it's cropped, but I never actually crop the shirt. Cutting is permanent. Tucking is not. Remember that, ladies. I literally still feel like a 3-year-old that doesn't know how to cut paper. Jakey warrior. Me don't know how to do that. I blame Danny. Tip number four, it's pretty simple. The tip is to pinroll your pants. So like the ends of your pants, you don't need to always do it. I personally usually do it. Y'all will see when you see me put my outfits on, you'll see the little details and everything, and it all makes sense. Woohoo! Tip numero 5 is to accessorize. Accessorize, 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 accessorize. I cannot say it enough, but if you're wearing a super basic outfit, just with like the little accessories, you can make it everything. Accessorize to the best of your ability. Scarves, sunglasses, hats, socks, purses, bags, do it all. Do-rags. For my colored people out there, do the damn thing. You can do it. I believe in you. Tip number 6 is for when you're actually shopping. When you're actually shopping, ladies, men, I'm already sure you do this, but ladies, go to the men's section. Listen, y'all, the men's section, for those of y'all out there that are thick, first of all, have pants that'll fit you better, have shirts that are like, I like baggy clothes. That's actually what this is. It's because I like baggy clothes. And the shirts are just like cooler. I promise you, men's section will have, and the jackets there, it's just more options. So make sure to check out the men's section when you're at the thrift store. Tip number, I honestly don't know what number it is. Donate your clothes. Donate your clothes. I am sure that you are university student, high school student, middle school student. I'm sure you have clothes in your closet that you're not wearing and they have been sitting there for a year and you're like, I'll wear it one day. No, you won't. No, you won't. Stop lying. Stop lying. Donate the damn thing. Because I'm sure people can use it. There are people out there that need things. And you got too much. So go give it away. There you go. Those are the tips, ladies and gentlemen. Now on to the trying on and the styling. Enjoy. I had to move my whole bed for this, so go like the video right now. This is outfit number one. Outfit number one. Tuck the shirt in. Accessorized with this belt. Happens to be the only belt I have, but it's really spunky because it has the gold stars on it, and I like that a lot. Gray pants, black and white shirt. Got the Bezos on with the Nike striped, Nike check marked. Yeah. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I'm like 5'10", so this whole thing is an issue. I don't know if y'all can see me. Anyway, woo, outfit number one. My dad saw this outfit. He'd tell me it looks like I just escaped prison, but that's not what I believe. Black shirt, underneath is a long sleeve striped, black stripes, black shirt, get it? Cargo pants, same belt, Bezos are on, same socks. You know the vibes, you know the vibes. Okay, next outfit. Now remember when I was talking about the details? On the dickies, there's the red and then the thing that's red. Wow, and then if you had red shoes you could, but I just got the Bezos, so yeah. Overalls are my favorite because you can really do whatever you want to do with them. And they'll probably still look cool. Okay, next outfit. Outfit number, I got the Lulus on. This sweater that I thrifted, I love this sweater. It's beautiful and it costs like $2-3. I have my Crocs on with the Nike socks. Don't wear Crocs with this. I just didn't feel like putting shoes on, so. Next outfit. The sun is setting, so if the lighting changes, that's why. This is just Kanye shirt, black jeans. I refuse to put on shoes at this point because I feel dumb doing it. So probably would wear the Nike socks and the white Bezos, so you know. Imagine creativity. On to the next outfit. And this is it. This is the last one. See how it's just simple white and blue, and then I added the jacket, and now it's like, you know the vibes, you know the vibes, you know the vibes. That's the fit. I got the Vans on. Vans on my feet. This is editing done. I somehow managed to delete the end card footage. So enjoy this. Y'all better go like, comment, and subscribe because I did that for y'all. That was a lot of changing, the editing a lot. So go like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much.